Hi everyone, I'm coming to you from my soon-to-be redecorated craft room. I'm working on that, so we'll see a reveal on it soon. Today I got my shipment of kit number 42, Tonic craft kit from Tonic Studios, and this is my second one of the series, and this one came with a little notebook, and that way you can put your folders inside. So this is my notebook, and I wrote on the back, Tonic Craft Kit, so I'd know what was inside. And on the back, nothing there per se. So you're going to open it up, and I've got my kit number 42 folder here, and I've gone ahead and applied my sticker. And then you can see kit 42 with the list of the possible things inside of it. So there is the list. You may get some glitter, you may get some sequins. There's a couple different colors for those, along with some different colors for the Aquaflow marker. And here's what's on the back. On that. Alright, and we will look at the stamps and the dies last. So I will come back to those. Alright, so let's go over the loose items, the nouveau items that were in here. And first off, I got one glitter and one sequin. And if you notice in the bag, there is glitter in it. It did not come in this bag. No, glitter was all in my box. So it took me a while to get everything cleaned up. I'm not a fan of glitter. And so it's now in a bag so that I can dispense of it and, either sell it, give it away, or throw it away. But I will say, as far as glitter goes, this is Mirror Ball, and it is one of the prettiest. It's like an iridescent glitters I've ever seen. So I'll have to think about that, but very pretty on that. Just wish it was maybe chunky glitter, so it would be a little easier to clean up. Okay, so then we go to the Aquaflow pen, and this is my first Aqua pen from them. I have a couple of their regular alcohol markers and metallic ones, but this one is called Just Peachy. You can get either peachy or there were a couple different colors in the Dream in Color series. In the glitter confetti, it is from the Gold Years collection, and it says it can be confetti, sequins, or glitter. And so this one is Light Hexagons Pure Sheen Confetti. This may be my first confetti of theirs, but at least it's chunkier than the glitter. And so you can see that's a gold there. Very nice. I do enjoy making shaker cards, so that's good for that. Or you can use them as ornamentation on your cards and projects. Then it came with a small one of their pen tapes. And this is a 5mm by 6m. Instead of a paper pad, this one came with watercolor card. A2 size. And I believe they have a heavy-duty watercolor card also that you can try. This is the 300 GSM on this one. So I do not know if that's the lighter weight or the heavier weight one. I think all of them come with the same color on the crystal drops. It is Carnation Pink. Very pretty. And there's a slight difference, but they do match quite well on this mousse. Embellishment mousse in a metallic. And they're calling this one Peony Pink. Then it comes with one of the embellishment tools. I had already purchased one. Had I known it was going to come with this kit, I probably would have held off on purchasing it. But this helps you to move your sequins and small items along with your little pearl dots and things you may have. So that is, and when I first got mine, I was surprised how small it is. It is very thin. It's only about, well, let's see here, a little over 4 inches long, but it certainly does the trick, and it doesn't take up a lot of room, and it has a little cap on it. If it gets to where it's not sticking well, I can tell you you're supposed to kind of clean that off with some water or soap and water, and then it's sticky again. At least enough to pick up your items. So those are the things that came in it. Then we will go next to the dies and the stamp. So let me see here if I put the stamps against this here should work. There are the stamps. I do like that they're mainly words. Although, you know, pictures are nice too. The little butterflies and blast, or I'm not sure exactly what that's supposed to be, but like a blast kind of thing, or a flower of some kind. And then we have spring is in the air. Hello, spring. Live life in full bloom. Springtime. If friends were flowers, I would pick you. The first blooms of spring always make my heart sing. It's nice because it rhymes. Spring has sprung. Here's to lots of sunny days to come. So that is the stamps. And then we go to the dies. And in true Tonic fashion, these are dies that layer upon each other. So they can be cut in. I know one of them over here can be an edge die or cut in. So it has the outer frame here where you can do it either way on that. And then it has the little ribbon tail. And the word spring. And there are 2 of the flowers here. And these flowers do layer. And then the larger flower has 3 layers. And then this one's kind of a corner, and this one's a different corner. And I can see, although it doesn't have dots, you could really use your Nuvo dots with these to make them very unique and pretty. So I'm looking forward to using those. So that is the stamps and the dies. And then we'll get to the paper, which I know a lot of the paper was in spring-like, summery kind of spring colors. Oh, that is not the papers for this kit. Would help if I got the right paper out. So just a moment. That was my sorbet papers. So there we go. Let's hope this is it. Okay, here are the papers. Sorry for a slight pause there. We have a gold that I would say that's kind of a gold pearl is what they're calling it. There you go. I was doing against white so you can see the true color on it. Then there is a mustard yellow in the classic card, so it has the waffle weave on one side and a smooth on the other. And then it has a pearlescent here. Okay, and then we have it's kind of a matte mirror, and it is called Pink Champagne. Pink Champagne. And by the way, the pearlescent goldish color one was Lemon Luster. And then we have kind of a coral here. And it's also in the classic. And they are calling it Coral Pink. So I guess I guessed well on that one. And then another piece of classic. And this is kind of a buttercup. They're calling it Buttermilk Yellow. And I know that I have buttermilk drops that I bet would look very nice with that. And I already have some of this, but I do like it. This is a specialty handmade paper, and it is called, let's see here, Honey Gold. Well, to me, this one's Honey Gold Roses. So the other one is going to be Coral Confetti. There we go. And then this is what they're calling Honey Gold Roses, and my piece has a dimple in it where it's bent, but I guess I'll live with that. It's okay, just disappointing. That's gorgeous, though. I love that. Let's see if we can get a little better. There you go, for a little better on the color. So that is the paper that comes with the kit, and that is Spring Wreath, the monthly craft kit number 42. And remember, if you get one of their craft kit subscriptions, you can use their discount code. I did use it for the first time the other day when I placed my Wednesday order. I am considering getting one of their tangerine machines. A little more than I prefer to spend, but I'm thinking of getting it next. The shipping on it's not exactly... the shipping on it's a little high, but it's a very nice machine, and I'm hoping it takes care of the bending plates issue. I'm getting tired of buying new plates and accessories, trying to get around that problem. Either way, sorry to rattle on. I appreciate you tuning in. Be sure to subscribe and like and tell your friends about me. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.